As dawn breaks in the tropical forest, life stirs quietly among the undergrowth.
High above the peaks, the eagle watches every movement below.
In the calm wetlands, every action is part of nature's delicate balance.
In the night, silence becomes a hunter's greatest advantage.
Endurance and unity carry life through harsh climates.
Every choice in the canopy is guided by intelligence and instinct. Grace reveals itself in the quietest of moments.
Cooperation ensures the next generation thrives.
In a heartbeat, instinct and mastery meet.
Communication strengthens bonds and ensures survival.
Together, they rise, guided by instinct and rhythm.
From above, the vast wilderness is their domain.
The forest awakens with countless voices in harmony.
Flight begins with coordination and instinct.
Silence is the hunter's ally in the darkness.
Endurance shapes every journey in frozen lands.
The forest is a complex maze of opportunity and danger.
In quiet waters, life flows gracefully.
Every lesson learned ensures the next generation survives.
In a moment, mastery of the skies is revealed.
Flight in unison demonstrates coordination and instinct.
Every movement in darkness requires patience and awareness.
Every step counts when survival depends on endurance.
Observing carefully ensures survival in a complex world.
In still waters, even small movements carry meaning. Dawn brings a chorus that awakens the forest. From the heights, every movement on the ground is visible.
In wetlands, feeding is a synchronized act of survival.
Stealth and patience define the hunter of the night.
Together, they endure harsh climates through cooperation.
Observation ensures safety and opportunity in the dense forest.
Even a quiet glide tells the story of grace and presence.
Every act of care strengthens the next generation.
Mastery in the sky demands both patience and speed. In unison, nature demonstrates rhythm and harmony.
Every movement is calculated under the cloak of night.
Survival in harsh lands relies on endurance and teamwork.
Awareness keeps the forests and inhabitants alive.
Still waters reveal the serenity of life in motion.
Every task contributes to the survival of the next generation.
Above the cliffs, the eagle masters the skies with unmatched vision.
In coordinated motion, they sustain themselves in the wetlands.
Stealth and patience make the night hunter formidable. Together, they endure the harshness of frozen lands.
Every movement is calculated in a forest full of opportunities. A quiet glide reflects the serenity of the natural world.
Every act of care ensures the survival of the next generation.
In an instant, experience and instinct combine. In unison, nature displays harmony and coordination. In darkness, every movement is calculated. Endurance defines life in extreme environments.
Awareness guides every move in the complex forest canopy.
Even the quietest movement in water tells a story of grace.
Preparation and care ensure that the next generation survives.
From above, every detail of the landscape is visible.
Coordination is essential for survival in the wetlands.
Silent observation defines success in the night.
In adversity, unity ensures survival.
Precision in movement is key in the forest.
Reflections mirror the serenity of life in motion.
Nurturing the young secures the future.
In a moment, instinct and experience combine perfectly.
In unity, nature demonstrates rhythm and harmony. Every movement is measured under the cover of darkness.
Survival in harsh lands requires cooperation and endurance.
From high above, the eagle monitors its entire domain.
Together in flight, they display the rhythm and harmony of nature.